Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can enter your Dress to Impress doll code. So I think it only works on PC right now for some reasons. But you're just going to go to the code section and there's going to be a DLC code at the top here. I don't know why they don't have it on mobile. Unfortunately, I'm not the developer of this game. Obviously, you would know that. Or I'm not a creator either, so I can't ask, but go to DLC codes and you're just going to enter your code here. It's obviously going to be unique for everybody and it's going to be different. I cannot, again, enter the code because I don't have, well, right now, they don't sell the dolls where I live. So hopefully soon they'll sell the dolls where I am and I can actually redeem my virtual prize. It's only custom makeup. Well, some of them are custom makeup and some of them aren't. I don't know which one isn't the custom makeup, but none of the codes will give you an item, so don't worry. I know people sometimes want everything in the game, but you know, can't always get everything you want. But I do want it, but it's just not where I live. So that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!